Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have OPPO Reno12 Pro and I want to show you how add remove magnification to this device. Firstly, open Google Chrome application. In it, settings application, scroll down and choose accessibility and convention. Now we tap on accessibility and there hearing, no hear vision and magnification. Now we must turn on shortcut, confirm by OK, and we have our shortcut of magnification. To zoom our screen, tap on it and tap on screen. You can also change position of your zoom using two fingers and swiping on the screen. To zoom on, to zoom out, or we can use one finger, we can only go up and down. To turn off it, press again on your shortcut. And that's all. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.